guys, it's Chantel from Wildberry Quilting, and today I got a package from Cabela's with a quilting notion in it. Well, something I bought for quilting, and it is huge. This package is bigger than I am. Look at this. I can't even get it all on camera. It's huge. It is 6 feet tall. So let's find out what's inside. Oh, I'm trying not to knock the light. Almost. Got another piece of tape down here on this side. Okay. Any guesses? Oh my gosh. These are bigger than I thought they were going to be. Big old massive pool noodles. And yes, they really are for quilting. I hear what you're saying. Like, what are you going to do with pool noodles? I actually use these to baste my quilts. Oh my gosh, don't knock down the light. Okay. And I will show you how that's done. Oops, there goes the light again. Let's see. How many did I get? I've got 7 of them. Okay. I guess the kids got a few extra, so the kids will be able to play with them too. But just to give you an idea, I'm going to show you the old pool noodles I had before these. So these were the pool noodles that I had gotten from, the regular store a few years ago, and I've been using these. These are the pool noodles that I just ordered from Cabela's, and they are substantially thicker. They're also substantially sturdier. One of the issues I was having with these smaller pool noodles, and the reason why I bought the bigger ones, is because these are very floppy and flimsy when you're using them. And they were also very short. And these are far longer. Try and line it up. This is how much longer it is than the other one. I have them both at the same length down on that end. And this is how much further it comes. So these are a lot bigger. They're a lot heftier, which I think the sheer width of them will also help quite a bit for my purposes. If you'd like to see how I use these massive pool noodles, then please come back and join me for the next video, because I am going to demonstrate that for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.